How to increase your email conversion with one simple strategy. Hi, this is Andriy, founder of Flowium, email marketing agency, as well as the founder of this YouTube channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you one strategy that we start using and it works like a charm. We started to add time counter to our time-sensitive offer. So we split tested, we send it to customers and say like, hey, your offer ends at 48 hours, and just in words, and did few follow-ups, or we send it with a timer. I cannot explain, it's probably our mind, but when we see timer clicking back, it's at real urgency versus like, oh, 48 hours left, oh, okay, I still have time. When you see that time clicking back, and there's less time, it's just like the fear of missing out, the FOMO, the famous FOMO. Some brands do not like to use it, but we are marketers, so if you use it wisely, why not? Also, if your offers are really time sensitive, trust me, this is better strategy versus telling them when it's end. Why? Because it will remove customer support questions. Our clients receive millions of emails after we send those kind of offers where we said like, hey, this is the offer, but it will end in 24 hours. There are some people emailed supports weeks later and said like, hey, this code is not working. Yes, it's not working because offer expired. You understand this? I understand that. But customers, like sometimes they maybe did not read the entire text or so forth. So that's why when you do the countdown timer at the end, when it's run out, it says like this offer is not available anymore, or any other text you can put it. So we highly recommend for you to use it, and trust me, you can split test it and the conversion from emails will be much higher. Which tool you can use? There's like free one and there's headache free one. So the first one is called Send Trick. You can have it for free, so you can create accounts, start using for free, but there's some limitation and also their branding. You can upgrade to a paid plan. However, we like to use, and what we use in our company, it's called promo features. We did not compare apples to apples, but we start using promo features and we love it. It works in automations as well as in campaigns. It works well for our clients. We see a lot of results, so you can use any of those. We are not affiliated with them, we're just using in our company. In case you have any additional strategies about this topic, please leave them under this video as well. If you have any additional questions, again, comments under this video. If you're not subscribers, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the bell to be notified like every time new video comes out, and like this video, or don't like it if you don't like it. Thank you.